Okay, David Truter. I'm a member of the SFPO on the committee, and my main portfolio is camera and security. Okay, the crime in the area, we are way down from the 2 years ago when this camera system was first put in. The SFPO, SRA, put the cameras in 2019, beginning of 2019, and crime was high at that stage. We have reduced it radically with the cameras. If I just take an example of 1 month that we've had on the LPRs. Now, LPRs are the license plate recognition cameras. We have four license plate recognition cameras spread through our main arterial road. And if you take it just in 1 month, we had 250,000 license plate recognition activations from those cameras. So there's 250,000 license plates that it's picking up, and of those, there were 11 activations, which means that those 11 license plate numbers were on the SAPS database, which means that the moment that that came up, it was activated, and either Calibre is informed, or if it's a serious case, SAPS are informed directly by Atlas, and SAPS then activates and will go out and will stop that vehicle. Then we have the analytic cameras. Now, these analytic cameras have artificial intelligence, and they are set up to meet certain parameters. So if you have a person at 3 o'clock in the morning walking in an area that he should not be and he's carrying a large item, the camera will activate. That will set off an alarm system in our monitoring center, which is in PE at Atlas Security. That immediately sends out a signal which goes through to Atlas. Again, it can also go through, it goes out to Calibre Security, our local activation, or it will go directly out to SAPS. Now, we had 699 activations in 1 month last month. So the AI analytic cameras picked up 699 aberrations at some time during the evening or even during the day. Of that, 17 required Calibre to go out and actually speak to the people, find out what they're doing, and indirectly that has led to an arrest. There was a person carrying a TV up the pathway at 3 in the morning. Obviously that is a suspicious activity, and that did lead to an arrest. The third type of camera that we have is a PTZ, that is pan, tilt and zoom, which means that the operator sitting at Atlas can actively monitor somebody with this camera. The camera will then zoom in, move, and find out what is happening. And if that requires a call out, then that will be used. There's 3 of them situated throughout our area, and there has been quite a few activations from that, and 1 case where there was a community service handed out to a local resident. Our cameras are monitored 24/7. We have operators at Atlas Security that watch our cameras on a revolving basis, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The AI cameras don't need to be monitored actively because they are self-activating. But other than that, we have all the cameras, which is 119 cameras throughout our area, plus the AI cameras that are monitored actively 24/7 by operators, and they will look at what's happening, and through that will also phone Calibre to go out on a call out. With the festive season coming up, we're going to ask all the residents to please be extra vigilant. Keep an eye on your houses. Make sure that your alarms are current and are fully operational. Get your security company to come out, test the alarm. Get your security company to come and test your panic button. And please, we ask that you clear the bush around your property. Make sure that there's no areas around your property close to your houses where any intruder can hide out. We ask that you have lights put up so that you can light up the areas around there, so that if a security company needs to come for whatever reason, they can see what's happening around your area. Check your doors, check your roof, check your burglar alarms, check your burglar proofing, and make sure that everything's secure. Keep a list of emergency numbers near your telephone so that at any time you can immediately get hold of them and phone them. If you need any advice or anything, There are neighborhood watch guys that are willing and able to come out to your house. Just give me a ring at any time, and I will be able to organize someone to come and have a look at your house and advise you if you need any help on any security issues on your house. Just with the cameras, it's been now 2 years, as we stated earlier. Now, this is a live system. It's evolving all the time, and we are doing continuous improvement to make sure that what we're getting for our money is absolutely worthwhile. So in the next couple of months, you will see and will hear that there is an improvement that's coming in. It will allow for far more active and proactive use of the system, and we're fairly excited about it. So yes, watch the space. It's going to happen.